It is officially moving day. Vlogging on my phone because pulling on the camera, there's just no point right now. So this is the state before we start packing. These are the things going in the car with me. Yes, the empty ones. I am literally sitting in my car watching them do Tetris moves to make my whole house fit in this truck, but it's working, so I'm really excited. 2 beds have fit in there, so the Super King is in there, my regular 5x6 is in there, my couch is in there, my fridge is in there, all my furniture is in there. Like the things that are left in the house are very minimal, literally like the vacuum. So yeah, I'm excited. We are making progress, although it is now like 10:30 a.m. and the tenants on the other side have not yet moved out, so that's fun. So it's kind of looking like things may not fit. Don't know if you can see. Pretty full. So this is a final walkthrough of my lovely home. Look at how pretty it is. I have swept and mopped and removed as much garbage as I can manage, but like I just don't have it in me to do more. So yeah, we're ending it here. This is the kitchen. Definitely needs like a proper cleaning, but at least I didn't leave it completely filthy. This is the bathroom. Loki gonna miss this corner hidden bathroom. The bedroom. And we are off to new beginnings. I'm gonna miss this place. Hi Kiki, oh my gosh, do you see how she just walks in and comes to visit? I'm gonna miss that so much. So all of this is trash. Truck is full. My things have not all fit, but we're really close. So these movers are actually amazing. They were so good at what they did. I literally did nothing except for telling them what to do. So it was really good not to have to like lift a finger throughout this entire move. This is them just trying to fit everything into the truck. We had to put a lot of stuff in my car, but I'm gonna do a more detailed explanation in like moving vlog 2, where we sit down and like chat about the entire process. I give you a full review on their services and like everything that happened that day. So this video is just like an overview of everything, but I was really happy with this. And then from here, we move on to the new house. We are finally home. So super quick house tour before it's completely full. The amazing movers doing their thing. This is home. Look at all the green. Dog's not mine. Third bedroom. The third bedroom. Yes. So this guy at the back, I guess the previous tenant had been doing like a chicken business, so he had built her a chicken house, and this is him tearing it all down because it couldn't fit through the house to actually like move with them. So he literally tore it all down and then left all that shit there, and I was so pissed off. So this is one of the bigger hiccups with this moving thing, but thankfully they sent someone to clean it up the next day and everything was sorted. But yeah, that's why I didn't actually step into the back area in this point, because it was just a complete mess. Yeah? Yeah? Third room. This room. That should be back bed, yeah?
This one?
Yeah. So this is as close to an empty house tour as we're gonna get, because it was already like 3 p.m. at this point. The previous people had taken so long to move out, and these people were bringing things in and unpacking it, so I didn't really feel right about asking them to wait around for me to take a video. So that's why I'm sort of recording in between them. But literally all I did was answer questions. They unpacked everything, literally made our beds for us. It was a really good experience. Hi. You're picking everything or you're leaving some stuff? So this is the current state of the house the day after we move in. I need to remove these shelves so that my fridge can be flat, and I need to get this place cleaned so that I can like do a final arrangement of everything. But so far so good. TV definitely needs to move back. Couch definitely needs to move back. This area needs to be sorted. Like today's gonna be a bit of a busy day. We're finally here. This is the new house tour. Finally. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get like an empty house tour, so you can't get like a blank slate view of things, but I'm still really excited to be bringing this to you.